This side Viren. So today we are trying to discuss one more question, and it is of code chef question and round of code drive and rated for due to participant. So let us say what was the scenario is given here. Basically the question name is game between friends. So let us see what was the scenario is given. Nitin and Sobhagya were playing a game with coins. If Sobhagya has more coin, so then he is winner. Otherwise Nitin is winner. So here its note is given that that this may this means if both Nitin and Sobhagya have same number of coins, then Nitin will winner. If the case is arrive when both the friend have same number of coin in their hand, so Nitin will winner by default. So yeah, this was the scenario. So initially Nitin has A coin, Sobhagya has B coin. It is given here. Then Ritik came and gave C coin to the player who is not winning. The bold letter is very important. Ritik came and gave his C coin to player who is not winning currently. After which Satyarth came and repeat the same process. In short, give D coin the player who is not winning. So yeah, and we have to print finally the final winner of the game. So it is the input format that first line contain T the test cases, and each test case contain another one line which is A, B, C and D. And simply for output, if the Nitin is winner, we simply print N. Otherwise, if Sobhagya is winner, then we print S. So these are the constraint, and this was the sample input and output. Let us understand this sample input and output in a clear manner. Okay. So as in first test case, it is given that initially Nitin has two coin. Sobhagya has 3 coin. Ritik came and give 4 coin to who is not winning the first round. And after that, Satyarth, I think. Satyarth give 5 coin to the player who is still not winning. And after that, we simply print the output S or N, who is the winner of the game. So in short, we just what was the approach we are trying to build right now. So basically we just try to grab the approach like this. Firstly we compare this Nitin coin with Sobhagya coin like this. So here we get to know that Nitin is the loser. So now Ritik came and gave 4 coin to the Nitin. So now Nitin has 6 and Sobhagya has 3. So from this comparison we are get to know that Sobhagya is the loser of this game. So Satyarth come and give 5 coin to the Sobhagya. So the scenario is like that. Final scenario is like that. Nitin has 6 coin and 3 plus 5 is 8. So winner of this game is Sobhagya. So we simply print S for this. Let us visualize in tabular form. So we'll get a more clear idea. Let me take one shape here. I think this. Okay. Let me draw like this. We first have two columns like this. This is for Nitin and this is for Sobhagya. So initially, let us say what was the scenario is there. Initially, we have 2, 3. So Nitin has 2 coin and Sobhagya has 3 coin. So now we know that winner is Sobhagya. So we simply do the entry of Sobhagya as it is 3, and we just add the coin to Nitin. How much? We just confirm from here 4. So Ritik came and gave 4 coin to the Nitin and it's become 6 now. So from this comparison we are get to know that Nitin is the winner. So we just copy the same entry, and now we know the Sobhagya was the loser of this game. So he will get the coin from Satyarth, that is 5. So we simply add 5 to the Sobhagya. So it becomes 8. So from this final comparison we are get to know that Sobhagya is winner. So we simply print S. Okay. Tabular form is very suitable to understand the concept. So I generally use this tabular form to understand the concept. Let us say one more test case. In that case, we just try to solve using tabular only. So we firstly draw two columns. First is for Nitin and another is for Saubhagya. So initially the scenario is like 3 coin both have. Okay. Now uh, both friends have same. So we know that both friends have same number of coins, so Nitin is the winner. So we simply copy that entry and we add 3 to the Saubhagya and it becomes 6. Now we know that Saubhagya is the winner. So we simply type the entity same as initially Saubhagya, and we know that at last Satyarth came and gave 3 coin to the loser of this round. So again 6 is done here, and we know that both friends have same number of coins. Then Nitin is the winner. So we print as for this case. Let us see one more test case. Here it is. Let me draw again the table with 2 columns like this, Nitin and Saubhagya. Initially both friends have 2 and 3 from this round. Saubhagya is the winner. So we simply take that entry and we add 1 for Nitin, which 1 coin is came from Ritik, like for this. Now we know that both the friends have same number of coins, so Nitin is the winner. So we simply type the same as initially for Nitin, and we know that these 2 coins will add it to the loser of this round. So here it's like 5. So from final round we are get to know that Saubhagya is the winner of this round. So we simply print S. So first test case we will print S, like here we get to know that for first test case we know that answer is S. For second test case answer is N, and for third test case answer is S. So let us see we are getting same or not. So yes, we are getting S and S. Let us see how I implemented in code part. So here is the simple solution I made. We just we are not using any data structure here. We are just using if and else condition and solve this question. So it has suggest in a input section that first line contain 4 integer a b c d. So I take that. After that I take input from the user here, and just I compare like this. If a is greater than equal to b, so it means that winner of this round is Nitin. So we don't need to add more coins to Nitin, so I just do like b plus equals to c. So I just add coin to Saubhagya, and now again I compare by adding the coin to Saubhagya that it's again a is greater than b or a is less than b. So I use if else here. So if we are get to know that by adding the coin, the Nitin has more coin has it, because initially the Nitin, like for example Nitin has 10 coin and Saubhagya has 2 coin, and we are adding 2 to the we are adding more 2 coin to the Saubhagya. So then that case also Saubhagya is not the winner, so we just need to add more coin to Saubhagya itself, and now we are comparing the who is the winner of final round. Just simple comparison using if, and we are get to know that if Nitin has more coins, so Nitin is winner, otherwise Saubhagya is winner. The same else part is repeated here, just condition is reverse. We are adding coin to the Saubhagya, now we are adding coin to the Nitin, and this is the for the case where both the player have same number of coin. So we know that when both player have same number of coin, then Nitin is the winner, and I did the same if condition for the comparison. So yeah, this was the case, and I get accepted label for this question also. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any doubt related to this question, you are freely comment down in comment section. Thanks for watching.